Good afternoon, everybody. Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today we are going to clean out the chicken coop. We use the deep litter method all winter long. It is stacking up. It's time to empty this thing out. Man, this is my first winter with chickens and we did the deep litter method. It is rank in here. Oh my god. If you've never done this, I wish that you could smell this. This is disgusting. About 5 inches thick over here, probably the thickest part, but ugh. Yo, makes me want to gag. It is gross, for real. Like, man, oh man, what are we on, 6? I think 6 trips so far with that. There's a lot of poop and shavings in here. We got the biggest part of the pile left. Smells real bad in here. I think it's probably gonna be 2 more loads in the barrel, but let's get after it. Don't tell Kathleen I used her broom to clean the coop. Oh, I'm just kidding. Can you guys believe that people actually house chickens in their own home? Like, after seeing this and how disgusting it is, we get it. Yes, I'm in here. You left the eggs. All right. Yeah, people keep chickens in their house. That is completely disgusting. If you have chickens in your house, comment down here. I think it's gross, but let us know what's up. You can see the eggs. Nope, not right now. As you guys can see, nice and clean, everything's back in order. Definitely nice to have it cleaned out, to be done. Definitely a big project. I mean, it took maybe an hour and a half to clean everything out. I think I definitely underestimated how much crap there was in there. It took us 7 or 8 loads, I think. I lost track, so I'll have to count while I'm making the video. Like I said earlier, I can't express to you how stinky it is. I mean, you could watch this video and see that that's a lot of poop, but man, if you haven't smelt it, it is just disgusting. And when I was down there real low getting the shot to show you the depth of it, it was just so rank. I almost wanted to throw up, but got it done without throwing up all over the place. So that's it.
Daddy, go by the rock for a second.
Okay, let's go by the rock. Let's go down the rock. Come here. Okay. What do we have to go on the rock for?
Because
It's almost Easter, huh?
yeah.
Good news.
We had chocolate for lunch.
Chocolate for lunch?
Huh?
Who gave you that?
Mommy.
I'm gonna have to talk with her.
She gave us chocolate with our lunch.
You're snitching her out right now, you realize that?
And Preston's going.
Hopefully this video gave you some insight on the deep litter method and you know, maybe helps you in your decision whether or not you want to do that or not over the winter. If you are in a cold climate where it's freezing all the time, it's definitely going to be harder to clean it out because that stuff freezes pretty good, and you could maybe chip it apart, but other than that, you might only have that one option. You just got my pants all dirty. Nice. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider dropping down below and hitting that like and subscribe button. Here at Break Free Homestead, we make new content every Friday. See you next time on